Are we able to sort things out? Yeah, that's so much better. Ladies and gentlemen, greetings. Welcome to another episode of the Open Live Show. I'm your girl, Jalika Burner, Dragon All Star. On the wheels of steel, DJ Rick, Breads, Fire Q, Mad One, big up on itself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. And we are sponsored by the Granaries located at 6 Overtons Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page to check out their weekly events. That's the place to be every single week. And make sure that you share the live that is on Instagram, on Facebook, and also on the TJM Radio UK's app. That is where you can listen to us and every other show on the go. Shout out to everybody that is on or live at the moment. Make sure to share the link because we're going to chat a bag of things and then talk to a specific person, you know, on the ground. She's been putting in some work and we want to catch up with her to see what has been happening. Yeah, so make sure to share the link for tonight's show. Big up to B2X Music Productions and Management, who is here. You know, go and share the live. My G, what go on?
Well, I don't know what go on with something there. Uncle Live.
There is something happening.
Yeah, all right, what go on now?
If you can help
you
us.
zoom in over the seat there because I feel like it's a long time in a forward, you know, and change the little spot.
Change
where normal project from.
All right, so while Dragon All Star, you know, switches up the ball game. Make sure say, you know, Sexy Danger is in the building. Make sure that you share the live to your family, to your friends, to your ACs, to your fans, to your unit. You know, everybody needs to forward over here because it's going to be a very interesting show tonight. Again, shout out to our sponsors, the Granaries, that's located at 6 Overtons Yard in Croydon. That's the place to be every single week. All the hottest parties. Make sure to check out the Instagram page for more details. My G?
Yeah, what go on?
Yeah.
Turn down remember my voice kind of heavy, you know, so.
You need to fix your talker phone, your fire phone. Better. Fix your fire phone that way. Yes.
That
so
good?
People can see your mug.
All right, cool.
Uncle Ivan, you ready? Right. How was your weekend?
Boy, you know, the weekend slap way.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up the whole of country, you know, girl Chester.
Yeah, big up to everybody.
Yeah.
Down that
big
side.
up the whole of the crew, them, you know.
Yes.
It was a nice little ball game.
Cool, man.
You understand?
Yeah, you take on road and you do.
Yeah, you know, we will land still because we come back and we got some bag of place. Big up all land and because you know, take on some bag of place.
You're forward back.
We
you're
come
forward.
back.
No, you don't, you know, you're forward.
Don't bother telling me my thing.
No.
All right.
You anyway. And Jesus. Anyways, continue, yes?
Yeah, you know I think so. A little thing go on over the weekend in London. I know say it's all over the social. I don't want to delve in it, you know. I just want to wish everybody who get hurt in that incident a speedy recovery. Yeah. And yo, me have to beg them on them. I beg them to please, dog. When you forward out a party and them something there, be vigilant. You know, be aware of the surrounding cause right now the thing look away in the road and for the next set of man them. I know say if you don't want to be bad man in the dog, say yo, what if I badness go on to England and them place, you know? Remember England love war, you know? So right now one little war go on over Ukraine and something. One next one I jump off of a Middle East. If you don't like a gun, you don't like on them something there. Remember you have soldier work and them work there. You have some work where you can get paid if you turn gunman. So go look some of them work there because you see thing one and a half hour night people in party. Because some of my time when I come out to drink some liquor. You know, have a bit of fun and go home. And I want to get home safely. I don't want to come mash up the people in party as well because you don't know. In terms of our little circle,
it's hard to
we
get
don't
venues.
have nowhere to party.
It's hard to get venues.
It's not hard to get a venue. We don't know of a party.
That's true.
All right. Look in South London, right? Because I can't talk about much places because South London may live and whatever. But looking at South, it's not a lot of places you can go and keep a party.
True.
It's very limited and right now it's just getting even worse because
the various incidents that are happening, it's increasing.
And one time you used to blame the promoter them and security them and thing, but it's another aspect to it because you still have the man them a forward.
With them bad liberty.
And the man them a bully the security them and not for the time as a security and you know, remember see you have a normal life and you say, yo, me I get a 150 a 200 pound for records of the night you say.
Yeah.
Does it worth it for me and this man to jump off and then tomorrow him see me a road with a beef because me I do my work and whatever. Dog, God no.
As
I don't like that little something there.
As you've said in several shows prior to this, like if you don't feel so now forward at the party, then with the bad energy and the bad vibes, dog, stay home. Don't forward out and mess up a promoter's event that, I mean, him work hard, promote him thing, get the DJ them. If artists step on the show, get artists for forward out and for entertain the people them and come with the bad vibes and just mess up the whole thing. It doesn't make sense. It does not make any sense.
So you know that thing there, but anyway, we can't really
delve
on
that
too much because
Gully Bop. Can we talk about Gully Bop a little bit? Rest in peace to
yeah, man,
his family.
Finally buried now.
He has finally been buried after passing away. What, from October?
About September.
September, October, thereabouts. He was laid to rest on Sunday. And I mean, the turnout was kind of shaky. The support from the music industry wasn't what it should have been. A long time friend of Gully Bop stated that the artists them should have forward here for show the support for him.
For what reason?
Just, what do you mean for what
Me
reason?
answer, remember a man did sick a beg money, right? You did see the artist them give money. We have to talk the thing really because there's something on the media. Remember the man did sick and a beg money and look help. Yes, you know that the artists them will help him. Remember Shaggy that one help a million so him that give to government and them people.
He wasn't giving it to government, he was giving it to the hospital.
I own the hospital. All right, you get what I say.
Okay, cool.
Sean Paul, the brown people them we have help of money. You see in Bolt, with them thief about 2 billion for him and him still there. And you couldn't spare one little $500,000. You know? Just if you don't say you rate him or you like the music what him do. Not him say you rate him, say you like the music what him do and you want support. Because I have an idea. Telling you right now, you know, say, if you can't give me it and now, you know, bother give me a big funeral and a big casket because I don't see what I go on my boss. All you know do, you make yourself look good on the family because if me out here suffer in a real life, yeah, and then as me dead.
Everybody, but that always happens.
Well, no, man.
It always happens.
Me never drive in all one big vehicle from my barn. As me dead, the biggest vehicle what mad have when I rent from down Havard and say put the body in them, my boss.
See-through glass.
Want see-through glass coffin and be a thing, you know. Me never want 3-piece suit yet. And I eat to not bury me now. Dog gonna do that something there, my brother. Me I beg gonna please.
But yeah,
make sure you say if anyone out is still alive when my time forward, remember my little thing, I pay if you come in, my dog, show your ratings, pay a little money, pay a little dividends, liquor, sell nothing, I give away. If you want a little food, go to the place, go buy it, because remember my kids, them have to get maintained and same way.
And apparently, his ex, which is, you know, Amari, you know, DJ Mona Lisa, was scheduled to attend the funeral as well, but some sort of drama up in the airport makes you miss our flight and ray. So, yeah, he got a send-off, according to this family friend. Not the send-off he deserved, but has finally been laid to rest. So, yeah, we can move on.
Yeah, true, yeah. All right, me have like a question for you. Give me a top 5 artists of 2023, because we never really get another party.
Yeah, we did.
No, me ask, who was it? What are your top 5? What you think? Say, yeah. Them are the one who was.
And we're talking about new artists.
No.
In general.
In general.
Top 5. Not in any particular order. Massacre. Are we talking about Jamaica, right?
Yeah,
okay.
Yes.
Massacre. Craft. We can't say Valiant too. We can't
Craft,
say Valiant.
all right. 2 that.
That's
3.
Valiant. Why is it so hard?
Fully Dance.
We never used to go to school. No. Top 5.
Top 5 artists.
Yeah, TJ.
Yeah.
We're gonna put TJ in it too. Who you say?
Oh, that you there?
Not for me.
Nah.
Not for me. Not
yeah,
me.
we have one more to go. Malidan.
No, not for me.
Chronic
always did it.
Then him always did it. No call him. Remember 4 day no.
Chronic Law.
But hold on now. Hold on now.
Me, Massacre, Craft, Valiant, TJ, Chronic Law. That's my 5.
That's your 5.
Yes.
You
In no particular order.
So what that again? Craft night.
Yes.
Craft go on good enough, but
He has.
yeah. You have artists where go on better than Craft will left out of this.
Yeah, but that's what you asked me my opinion.
Like 450, because a lot of time people forget that youth there.
That's true.
And say, yo, that youth there. Remember that youth there, no?
He's putting in the work.
The whole of 2023, I him cater for the girl them.
That's true.
Remember any girl song the man sing a goal. Remember big up, natural, me say big up myself, because if I never had 450, I couldn't get all to local wine or something at party, you know. I mean, I talk
What do you like?
red label wine and them something there, stone ginger wine. Me I talk gala wine off it, something, you know what I mean? So big up 450 anyway. But 450 have a good ear in music, so.
Yes, he has. And he's still putting in the work, even 2024. He's dropped a single called What If on his Viva channel 3 days ago.
And the thing when we rate with that you too. You know, hear the mix up.
Mix up.
You know, hear the blood clot bag of things. But anyway, talk about 450.
Before we go to that, what is your top 5?
Top 5.
Yes.
All right. La Boss.
Yeah.
Sika.
Who?
Sika man, number 1 massacre.
I was about to ask Sika Rhymes. Cut. What? Yes. Massacre.
TJ. 450. Smadale's missing. Popcorn I was there, but that year that me, you know, go out with too much my boss, because me can't say one hit song for Popcorn that year.
Sasha are the same thing me that year pre, you know. Sasha, I have been saying the same thing.
We're talking in Jamaica, and
yes, but what for me, probably because me never listened to Holy Pod. I don't know. Nothing comes to mind. There are women who are doing.
Me not tell a lie.
Who are doing the work, but nothing.
All right. No, look at it. We not be biased. Looking at this year, current music, them. With woman out there who have a hot song where it have a play night party. Just be honest, no. One song we are playing night party, we say yeah. Song they are going people. None never out there. The woman them kind of dormant this year. Me not like ladies. Me don't know how going on because 450 come out to that year where.
I would say Chanel as a woman for 2023.
Sing one hit song what you sing that year, no?
Where a song with 450 go?
No.
The song with 450, wasn't it 2023? The collab.
Yes. But a 450 song, a 450 make it hot because
it doesn't matter if it's 450 that made it hot. Chanel is on the track. So Chanel, if you look at.
I'm not talk about collab. This is not up on live show and friends.
He never did say collab before, though.
We say me not talk about collab.
If you give me a chance to respond, bro, you will understand where I'm forwarding from. Chanel on a whole. Now thinking about it, Chanel has done quite a number of songs for 2023 where she put in the work for 2023. I would say Chanel as a woman.
Well, I mean, let's talk in the UK scene now because like full grown this I know. So in the UK, in a sense, although we not box na artists in the UK.
Yeah.
So I don't want the UK artists come tell me say, oh, I'm not you. All are we are UK people. If I hear you live, that's how you look on the music because members of dancehall have different stage and different phase. You see me? Mm-hmm. So if you hear what you say you're UK artist because it's just where you live. And it don't mean say you sing a different dancehall. It's just where you live.
Yeah.
Who is the UK artist for you? The top 5 UK artists. And we
top
say,
5 is a mixture. For 2023, obvious. Sir, you choose this one time. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say Shanty Force. I'm going to say Lady Danger.
2.
I'm going
Sexy
to say
Danger, sexy.
Sorry, my apologies.
Correction.
The clear throat round there, so it was very, very loud. Sexy Danger is one of them. Top 5. Jesus. Why is this hard? Top 5. All
right.
Why is this hard for me? I'm going to be honest, why this is not supposed to be hard for me?
I don't know. All right. So
actually,
all right. Let me help out real quick. See? So the top 5.
That was very, very
hard. On. So the top 5 in UK.
For me.
And without no bias, me attack it properly. So you have Danger, Queenie. You have
his opinion.
All on is my opinion. So the top 5 you have Lady Danger, Queenie. Because listen, Queenie is always there because Queenie is always there on the internet. Queenie name always a call and we be real. So Danger, Queenie.
Are you referring to entertainment?
Shanty.
Hold on, let me ask a question.
And people song who are playing, it don't matter if it's an old song or a new song, she's always there. Let me finish, I never interrupt you. Very rude. All right. So Queenie, Sexy Danger,
Yes.
Shanti, the youth when name Ghost Bella, you know, where they have a song when name Narlook. Remember, him slap off that piece of some of them with that song there. We have to be real with that. And then, more should be in some days in a mixed way. It's going to be a little curveball. And I feel that the youth here, him get a little part there.
Who's that?
And the youth from up at Birmingham. You know who I talk?
One Lord God.
One Lord got it. You know why I say that? Because him and one of youth them where that area, he was trending a lot.
For 2023.
He was trending a lot for
He was put-
2023.
and he did, yeah, I
He might
agree
put
with
in
you.
a
He
whole
put in
power.
a lot of work for
And
it.
me can should be in one more smarty too.
Mine with the shubin in general, but yes, you can.
I should one more smarty in that chewy gate, man. I ask man.
Jesus.
Higher pay, come super. Remember, I know. We know that song, the big over here, Jaja bless me.
Yeah.
I Rastafari set me free.
Yeah.
And I see the man do like, say, you know. That Jamaica, I see well received, you know. Big up higher pay. You don't know anything. And you have some other artists where, we would call it. Because I can't say bubble up, you know, because I don't want nobody why me.
Yeah, you don't get couple of why, but with
Big up. Some of the artists them where they are going alright. I forward up to that part there, but I think in terms of like work and the material, none of them was on point and the quality. None of them, no, but some of them have some honorable mention panelists here. Because you have some bad artists out there, but I just feel like say it was a missing formula.
The missing formula that we speak about every single time is lack of promotions, lack of management. Like, when you get the song and when you get a decent song, you know, but there's no promotion behind it. There's no, I don't know if you just make song for make song purpose or you actually interested in where your song can reach and what your song can do, the impact of the song. But this is something that we've spoken about over and over
wrap up this
again.
now? Because I feel like some people who just hit me. We can ask one more best top 5. Top 5 UK sound, because right now me just feel like them all hit me right. Top 5 UK, so DJs and sound is all in one, you know.
Well, you go
So,
ahead.
Top 5 UK sound,
You
like,
go ahead.
and we are calling by no particular order.
Okay.
And we attack what we see from my eye. So if me miss out
What
something
we
at
see from
Birmingham
your
and
eye,
Manchester, me
what
not live down there.
What you see from your
What
eye?
me see from my eye?
Okay,
See,
then,
I remember
go
wear glasses, so my time I not see good.
Eh.
So that me I tell you, remember say, you know, a glass mirror, so I not see good. So you know, sometimes the wipe and our can be a things.
Alright.
Anyway, the top 5 so them in the UK to me. Right now, we don't know those in the UK Andrew Fresh, cause
Yeah.
me don't know,
Put in the work
me don't know,
there.
you know, when I have who better youth they forget him out to do.
No.
When you can't get out that youth there.
Him a play.
Yeah.
Him a take plane like taxi.
That you there, yeah,
put in the work.
Andrew
That's
Andrew
true.
a go on, you see me? Terratone sound. That not because them when they clash, but I'm listening them consistently
Yeah.
and them on point. So them I want next sound, me say, yeah.
Yeah.
That's 2.
Third one.
Loyal Squad sound.
Definitely.
Yeah, them
Them
there.
are put in the work and you can see the growth.
Yeah, they're in
over
there,
the
they're
year.
in there.
Yeah, definitely.
The youth from over North London now.
Call the name now, brother.
DJ Diamond. Him have a great 2023.
Yeah.
Yeah, so him have in that one, yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't know if he last one, Mr. Black Knight on DJ Dio.
Me
Him
that
a go out, yeah.
Yeah. DJ Dio.
Yeah, him a go out, you know.
Definitely.
And
I agree.
then you have some more honorable mention about people.
Call 2 other honorable mentions them for we.
So you go if you don't want bad man, you want bad man. Me not call on no cause me the most of me let no call them, but at the top 5 that.
Top 5.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Yeah.
After 10 already? 16 pass?
Mm-hmm.
God no. Anything else? Any other topic you wanted to touch on real quick? So
Me no want to touch upon no more topic, but
Alright.
want to talk about this right now. I don't know what the youth, Nigy Boy.
Sorry, before we go on to that topic, DJ Styler, big up yourself. He said Bugsy. DJ Bugsy.
But Bugsy play Terratone sound, my boss. So
Okay.
I'm talking about everybody.
Okay, cool.
So it's
inclusive of
one, yeah, it's
of
one,
the
it's
whole
one, it's
members of-
one. Echelon.
One umbrella.
Is
Alright
it
then,
one?
cool.
Yeah.
Go ahead
So talk about Nigy Boy now, cause
and give the context of who Nigy Boy
it's
is.
a Nigy Boy break the internet what you see me?
Yes.
The man forward that song, you see me? And the man say, why can't I be greedy? Tell me why, oh why, oh why? Why me fi have one girl? Continental girl takes me. I say, Bumbo clot. Ray Charles, find it. But I thought it was Ray Charles.
Who is it?
Eh?
Who is it then?
Boy, I one of them blind man there. You know one of them man them, you know where? I watch him come from. I can't talk about Kingston. I come from a little tourist place.
Mm-hmm.
So you know that blind man them used to go to a cruise ship pier and them something there.
Yeah.
And yeah, like Frenchy and you know, be weird that glass and thing. I can't see them yeah. You know what I go on. And the tricky crowd. And I say, Bumbo clad blind youth. And I say, Bumbo
Visually
clad.
impaired.
And I say, yo, so you know how much money you get? You can't cut the money because I know them say the money have braille pan it, you know, the new one them.
Yeah.
But I say, you know, have to train for that because I can't just feel it and say, yo, it's a 20, this is a 5 or this is a. So I say, them not going to rob him. And I say, yo, nowadays, most, when you get big show, nobody not do cash again, a bank transfer them something there. Straight to your account. I say, them not going to rob him. So if it's a 100 there, man say, 200,000 in my boss. You get what? So, Bumbo clad, me I watch you time I say it a go on and you know, foot I make a outburst.
About the whole management situation.
Foot I make a outburst about the management and say, yo, the management,
Dr. Love.
yeah, the guy when him Dr. Love, say, him a player. Cricket him a player.
For the other team.
Yeah, him a player cricket, you know. And when me to use that terminology, man, they do, you know, a man bowl the ball, and him want, all right. So, cricket him a player. So, yeah. One of them things there, and football say, yo, and then I take a little youth money and go, you know, go play cricket. But move forward from that now, him do a interview with on stage.
Yeah. Over the weekend, it forwarded out.
Yeah, and you know, before the interview, I see him post a snap. And I say, yo, who tell him who spot the button there for press? What him say? Hello, Jamaica, it's Nigy Boy. And I say, I say, hold on there. I will tell him who's by a button there for press up. Because I say, the brain of the pan the phone scream.
Yeah, but you have not everybody who has visual.
Me say, yo,
he
listen
might
me now,
not
man.
be fully blind.
No, brain, if you can't say anything on the phone, that means you have to say good.
No.
My boss. Hold on, no. I know all past when me used
There
to.
are phones. Thank you, Sophisticate. There are phones that has accessibility.
Rasta.
Go on your
Rasta, hold on,
iPhone
no.
and go in settings and do accessibility and see what it does for you. Not everybody who you see with eyes similar to Nigy Boy, he's not complete. He might not be completely blind, and he never forward out.
I'm not get this yet.
Okay,
Relax
cool.
now.
All right.
Yeah, drop the gun.
Voice to text activation.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down. Relax. Come down now, Rasta. All right. See? Yeah, perform too hard. Come down. All right. Here we go on now. When me see the video, I say, yo, who tell the boy, who tell him who's supposed to press and hold the scream? Because I don't feel no real on the phone and I don't know how him do that something. So I say, Bumbo clot, and the man looking at the camera, you know. But one good thing is, I don't know if him a boss alkaline. Because I would get tricky, you know. Remember alkaline first, people trick with the eye thing. So I say, yo, Jesus Christ, here we go again. So you see me? I see the man doing and him a talk about the girl, the man thing, and I say, yo, look like I will shoot him video. Big up the man who shoot the video, because the man who shoot the video is a very smart man, because he know, like him tell himself, just look away from my camera. Like you don't know where they.
Obviously, you would get direction. You'd have a video director.
Hold on.
Bro,
Hold on.
upset me.
Me say, hold on. Me say, hold on.
You forward dog face.
Me say, hold on. Then when me watch the interview with on stage now, I say, Jesus Christ.
Big up Dan Boss, cause
When me see interview, the man say, when I know the song was getting big, you see, I go on YouTube, and when I see the comment, I'm like, Bumbo clot, hold on.
What?
Me say, hold on. This no calculate. 1 + 1 are 2. Then I say, and I start to see the reaction. But one at a time when I see my friend text me and he's saying like, so I'm like, Jesus!
No, but oh my days, guys, come on, man. Yeah, reason don't know, dog. Yeah, reason don't.
Reason don't.
Because phones have accessibility.
Hold on.
Features.
Did you say? Hold on. At any point.
No Jamaican.
At any point, did you hear Nigy Boy say him hear the text?
But at this, you ever hear Jamaicans say them hear the text?
Me, eh?
You ever hear Jamaicans say them hear the text, yeah, reason done so.
You ever hear nobody say them hear blood clot text?
But
No read every text.
in his circumstances, it's not going to be.
Where you that?
It would have been read out.
All right, Frenchie. Would you text a blind man? Would you text a blind man? All right. I rest my case.
Yeah, go check him.
Yeah, mother call him no call me no say yeah. Yeah, he probably can't answer because you know if you have like peanut food or
Thank
something.
you, style. The wrong choice of words. He's Jamaicans and no say up when we are express ourselves, we mix up and twist up the things. Yeah, don't say no because it's true. It is true. You have accessibility features on phones that allows text messages
So he's
to
blind.
be read out.
So you feel like he's blind?
I think he's blind.
Like fully blind?
He might not be fully blind. That's what I said. There are certain things that you can see.
Rasta, the man said.
I'm not reading comments and everything.
It doesn't matter, but I'm saying that there
No,
are
his mother
features.
can't read everything because it's right now like him have a song. So I'm doing two girl and give him some crutches.
You have talk, text,
Oh,
and
that's
listen
over.
back.
Eh?
Yeah, but I have nothing else to say. I have nothing else to say. So yeah. Moving right along. Yeah. Are you gonna continue with the session?
All right. Anyway, people, I don't feel like the Nigy Boy is blind.
He might not. I don't feel
Me
he's
feel like
completely
say-
blind.
In my glimpse, him probably now say 100. Like glass probably can't fix him vision, but he must still look a bit. Seeing? But me not feel like saying fully blind.
Okay.
All right, move on now.
Yeah.
'Cause
2 more minutes and then we're going to wrap up this segment.
Them say bigger topic they have to talk about. Boy. Russian.
Wartime.
I'm going to talk about that something because
Talk about Russian.
you know, like, me always know say like there's a whole of bad mind in dancehall and whole of what they call it bureaucracy. Let's use some different word when I seen. Them say some whole of bureaucracy in a dancehall and you know some of the time artists and other people say yo the producers go around them.
Right.
And whole of little go around and go on. And you know and they mark like say something done off a bad faith. But no for the time the producer them really follow through and done the thing
Do for them
diligently. And somebody asked them just a fuckery.
Right.
So we see Russian found out the other day and we'll have something and start expose some man. Cause first Maddy, before that video, first Maddy I say ball out. But this cry is Black Rhino. Black Rhino found out and I say, yo. Him get $700.
He got or he sent.
Mr. Russian send a go give him.
Black Rhino sent Russian $700.
Russian.
Sent Black Rhino $700.
Yeah.
And what was that $700 for?
Well, he want sound like a Rhino song, me never hear the full part. It's just him a talk, but him a talk in a code.
Okay.
So me I wonder if I the buy back song, if a $700 I get for buy back song, that my boy. Something not too right, you know.
Okay. And then who else did you see forwarding
Then
after?
obviously, then Russian do that follow-up interview. You know him start talk and I say, yo, ding dong them the depon here, you know, and some other people.
Brought up some receipts.
The depon here, you know, him start bill and receipt and me I say, yo, it's a fucked up situation. Rasta, if you have the backstory on there, you want, come, I don't want to tell a lie on nobody.
Not all of it, but the section that we have, Kyle Butler, do you know Kyle Butler, the Jamaican footballer? After one of those lives that Russian did, Kyle commented and asked, Russian, do you build rhythms? You stay taking beats from composers and putting your tag in it as if you built anything and leaving them in the dark and taking all the credit as if you did. Beep. Maybe I should list out the ghost producers to the world. You are on the internet giving people the wrong impression. Make sure your statement is clear from the jump instead of feeding the public beep, which is shit. I've never met you before. And he continued to say, who knock over Dutty Money Riddim? Who Bill Skeng, Full Moon? Who Bill Jada X9, Turn Me On? I can go on all day. This nigga ain't nothing but a fake and taking all the credit and have the nerve to ask me if I have a hit song. Him need for the catalog. That was Kyle Butler's response to Russian. Like, Russian is like, have you ever produced a hit song? You can't even build a rhythm. You can't even play football good. My point was, internet bus artists. Anyway, me not argue with no man who have but in name.
Yo, that's a shot.
Yeah.
Come down now. Tell them to come down now.
That
Because
was-
you see an idea like I like when things like this get dragged out in the public because too many time people come chat some fuckery. Artists come chat some fuckery. And people in arts come chat some fuckery. And make say, yo, the wider media feel like say, yo, all of the blame them, all of the producer them. The producer them always try to rob the artist. When some of the time we have to look upon some artists' work ethics and them behavior. Because you have to remember, you know, some artists are blood clot diva, you know. Yo, you have someone, yo, a real girl them. You say you pay, all right. Say if I'm a producer, right? I give you the money again for do this song. Everybody is ready and for do the for them work and me a link you and me a call you and me just want to feel like a part for you say yo put out the project.
Yeah.
And me can't get you and you know.
Yeah.
And you just can't find a time to do it properly and
I think Russian was making a very important point. If we get a chance to watch the video, he was basically saying there are no gatekeepers. Like current artists are using the internet. They don't need certain people to make them song bust or make them career bust. Them can use the internet to the best of their advantage and use the tools that are out there to propel their career and propel their music. So like he was saying facts.
The gatekeeper thing kind of cut out in a sense because remember you know one night time you just have some gatekeeper you know.
Yeah. If
so
you don't make music with this producer, you don't link with them people, your music now.
Someone a bad mind, you see me?
That's
Like
true.
somebody want book call Dragon and the man said, no man, no book Dragon man, we can't send them one bad DJ. Where you do man? No book Dragon man, yo. No, where you book Danger for man? No man, make it one bad artist around there, man. Yeah, me can't get her. How much you da give her? No. That's why I tell you say the gatekeeper thing is real, but no because the internet kind of change the ball game.
The ball is in
the gatekeeper thing is still there, you know, but it's not gonna because nobody now for go that route there again because you wanna, for instance, say like we have this platform going, we have this show, right? Once upon a time, man, they call Ivan, you know, and say, yo, nah man, them pick me give her money, man, just get them out here, man. Tell them say full, man, you know, deal with them no more. You get them, you get me? And you see you find somewhere again and them do the same thing. Because you do have people stay them where they have people with malicious start and malicious intention because you're not abiding by their rule and their manifest. You get what I'm saying? So in terms of the gatekeeper thing, you really like how much time you see in a DJ thing over here? Look at that DJ thing. Like you have some DJ, them a gatekeeper, DJ thing an artist. Cause if a promoter want to book some DJ artist, you know, nah man, I better put an artist on the party, man. Where are the man? Them all come slow up and dance. Yeah, man. Like when we come shell the thing on us post soul, a phone money. Members say you're an employee when you get paid for come do a work. Do your work and go home. Do your hours and go home. It's not your business. You know, like when we tell someone about the boy work at people place. It's not your business. It's not your company. Do your work and go your yard. If me a thief, if you now come out your wage, Lord, me thief. So me just tell me just put you as dancer. Let's see if me there dance. And me I go dance and me decide say boy today I want to make some money pull up. Boy the party I want everybody alright. Nobody call next promoter and say yeah man, the boy Dragon up. A pay man song him play. Cause him want post soul stop what Dragon business.
Sophisticat made a statement that the artists aren't strapping up properly with regards to copyright, especially the artists that are in the UK. So there will forever be in problems with producers and etc. So yeah. And Ricardo Royal has says UK has the most gatekeepers.
What? I don't like. Bad man, he mount a gatekeeper over here. My blood clot. You think of a Buckingham policy I go.
Bag of gate.
Yeah, man, I'm a bag of gate higher.
So hopefully for 2024 things can change. Because I mean this isn't new.
And the funniest thing about the gatekeeper.
First we'll talk about it.
Yeah, you know the funniest thing about the gatekeeper thing over here. Some of the gatekeeper them not necessarily in the music business. They're not necessarily in the music business. They're just people who go to party who have name.
Yeah.
Because remember this, you know, you have some people where them not to do the music. Them are not DJ, them are not producer, them are not decide. them just is a name brand name in a party. But you get me, because them have that name there sometime. Yeah, we do have some we call it promoters who call them to confide in them and get a bit of guidance.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
And them say, nah man, about them people that him not in a crowd. They might mash up. You get me? Dog. Lord, that's something there, man.
So hopefully for 2024 things can change. And I want to see, I think we've said it, 2023, moving a little bit from the whole gatekeeping situation. I want to see more female artists putting their music out there, putting in the work to get on live stage shows. Like the woman them talented over here, dog. What heap of talented female artists are here in the UK in our dancehall space. I want to see them put in the work, and promoters them when the woman them put in the work, both them and make them work, no please.
And
both them and make them work.
More touch upon one more thing in the dancehall scene
Literally
and
2 minutes.
our culture.
2 minutes.
From I would say about almost 2 years now, I realize say the dancing bit out of the dancehall culture die.
Yeah.
In terms of
true.
like, we don't really have no dancer again over here in terms of people who dance. All of the dancer them turn flosser because watch here now.
I disagree with you.
But you see,
I disagree with
no,
you.
no, I'm not talking about Miss Road. The female them a do them thing.
I disagree with you.
But you know, like what you call the skankers them.
I disagree with you.
Cause when I call the man them no dancer, you know, like if you go uptown Mount Zion, where you know when I wedding with the up boom, you know the man them out and do them thing. The man them over here, see them, the man them must say them a skanker. Remember the skanking now go on again, no, cause everybody want to set table and tell up round table and watch the next man and say, yo, nah man, bad man, remember, you know, if I that way you love, because if I'm a DJ, I'm decide say, yo, I go take the early part of the party, you know. Yeah, for the way I do until the name get big dog till it turn superstar, start the booking them. And even when I feel like say you get big and whatever, cause you know see ding dong river them coming apart, them river them now go out with themselves.
Yeah, there are a few names that we can mention. South London and North London section, like the dancer them there, but
Which dance? Them in a party, them are a dancer. Them are normal man like me.
they're
Me I do the same dance. Them I do. You see them out there go and entertain the people them.
if you allow me to respond, yeah. What me I say, brother, is like the dancer them did but I'm not seeing them on the dance floor. You go cup a party, obviously Miss Rose is always out there. This is her passion, this is what she does. That's her lifestyle. But you have the various dancers them where you know say in at the party, but it's like a one song might play, then bust a one move and that's it for the night. The dancing aspect of it needs to forward back in at the party. And I'm not new what we're talking about. We've always said this. Like that for me, the reggae segment and the dancing segment, my favorite segment of a party.
It's a little thing where like even like you know if you keep an event and say what you want to get some dancers.
I agree with you,
and
DJ
whatever.
Stylo.
No, I think them realize
Fully
say
agree
yo.
with you.
Say if a artist want to do a video and they want to get some dancers. Can't them call them man we come a dancer because them man a real dancer. Me no soon a dancer. Remember when a part-time dancer in them boss.
If you're a dancer, don't you want somebody to say, Ray, roll out, Ray, see where everybody got for acknowledgement.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Sometimes we don't get no acknowledgement.
Yeah.
That is true.
And go up on the stage and only big up our flaws.
That is
That's true.
true.
We've
That
seen
is
that
true.
too.
But
That's true. That's true.
because
the DJs know the dancers.
That's
true.
true.
And
DJ know
Brent
the
made that
dancers,
statement
but
as well.
at the end of the day, the dancer them top dance. The dancer because we see whole heap of dance in a party and here one now. If you are dance and you have go out the thing and the people must say with you, the DJ them have to fall in line. Cause once you go on good, you look at Miss Rose. Remember Miss Rose one night time, you know, them never really know Miss Rose. But Miss Rose will dance and mash up a place and go out and be things. And what we have to do, we just have to fall in line.
Yep.
But most of her acknowledgement comes from being booked by like artists like me, you know, selected or performing. So that's how she get that more publicity.
And she put in the work and she do her YouTube. Remember, so she do her video. Them. Remember, so when insomnia lit Miss Rose, and Miss Rose don't sleep.
Yeah.
Miss Rose is on her phone on the internet. She's networking with people. Look at the year Miss Rose had of 2023. She had her challenges.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, not because they're on the live Rose. Like this is something that we've always spoken about. She's had her challenges in 2023, but Miss Rose had got some big W's in 2023, right? She do her dance classes them in the UK and in other European countries. Miss Rose has had a good year, and there are dancers that have the capability and have the capability of getting stuff done like that, even if you don't go to European countries. In the UK, dancers them did it.
Dancers them are like artists. Them are real like artists. I said them are real bougie.
We're just gonna read up a couple of the comments them, and then we roll in with artists them. Rolling Danger. DJ Styler says commercial parties and British Caribbean parties respect dancers and skankers more. True. DJ Steady Rems says Una don't respect artists and dancers. I'm guessing he's referring to the DJs. Breads says DJs are to be blamed because, as we rightly said, them don't shout out the dancers, them don't shout out the artists, them when them did it. You know, some DJs do it, not everybody. Natural Mystic says, brother, if you stop going like dancehall is one dimensional. Certain sections of dancehall, the dancers them roll out. I haven't seen it in a really long time. Like, says the dancing segment, the dancers them roll in, do the dance move them bravery. I haven't personally seen that in such a long time. Quickly, DJ Mystic again said them stand up and pose in a party and only pre.
That's true. Another time my problem, cause here one now. You see some of my party them where the dancer them want dance.
Yeah.
Some of them want to do it for the wrong time. Cause watch you know. Hold on there. Watch the point. Watch the point. Seeing? Remember DJ me song. Seeing? So some of the party them when I'm not phone the time because remember timing is everything, you know. Seeing? Mm-hmm. Yeah, play some song for fuck off the girl them. We don't want to see them now.
But you hardly even get that. Nowadays I'm here shooting and
an idea. Anyways. Like you have a few dancers will come over here and do some excitement. So big up even Dan Crazy too.
Of course.
When Dan Crazy get ready, we don't see him up on one place, but nobody never see him.
We don't know how he reach up there.
So Dan Crazy is the only one in the dance who will say, yo, when you come on to the dancing part there, he might the only one who will say, yo. Because we not see enough of that. Yeah, but we not see enough excitement because, watch it now. Perfect example. You have that show Thursday keep seeing. Remember, we'll put that show go on down there about we not see the dancer.
The DJs them dog.
I
blame the DJs.
No, hold on there. You know why I'm gonna blame the DJ? Because that show Thursday, I deal them and Capo them play down there. I remember.
So?
They them like the little dancing and them something. They miles out there dance up and thing.
Yeah.
So the original dancer and the man must say them a skanker.
Okay.
And if you go out there and go do the thing, you know, make
but
yourself
sometimes
heard.
the DJ them
because
play
what
the
you know,
song them for the skank.
when I read up, much name brand dancer we have in London now.
We have quite a few.
No, name brand when them active now, we say yeah.
We have quite a few.
Who? Call three name.
Miss Rose, Dancehall King, Dancehall King Sharpman, may I talk about? 876. What them name? 876.
When last I see one video, right now I see more video.
No. Complete your question.
Yeah.
Complete the question before you make the statement.
When last I see them go viral, I dagger some girl or something. When last
it's not
them
only daggering dog, but if you go onto their
when last you see them on TikTok, I go viral on a little dancing move.
Social media pages. No, you're not gonna cut me off. I'm sorry. If you go on their social media pages, the same people them who call out, go up on them social media page now, and you will see them making their videos. The people them do them work. But I forward back to the point where I blame the DJs because the DJs them now play the song them for the skankers them skank. Yeah, play a bugger, dash your money and scamming and this. That is what is happening in the parties nowadays. I'm not saying scamming and scamming song them and badman song can play.
Yeah.
Segment up the thing more general. That's all I'm saying. Get the woman them. Remember, 2023 the woman them did a ball for wine in a dog. The woman them, the girl them want. You remember that? That was happening a lot in 2023.
And?
What do you mean and? It goes back to the point that the DJs are to be blamed.
Last year when 450 every I sang them, get them on a complain. Because them all of them sang they play dancehall. So anyway, we now go stretch out the conversation. But at the end of the day, I'd say the dancers could do more in UK.
The DJs could also assist with that.
Alright, here we know. At this I'm not like. We don't just put it like a DJ gatekeeper. If artists want bus, if artists want bus, DJ now play them song. Dancer want bus. Yeah, what them say God who help themselves. If you're not out there putting your work, because watch you know. As a DJ, remember you risk your career if you try to push somebody through the gate. So if you risk your career, every night I try to shove everybody through the gate. That's not helping you. That's really not helping you because think about it. Think about it. Whole heap of time, you see, you got a party, you see, a DJ a tush. Segment now go on too well. You see a dancer or artist try help out the DJ section and say, bumbo clot. You know, the DJ I'm a friend, me try go help him out because him not play too well, but me go out there go vibe, it go start a thing. Remember say all of these things, one and wash each other.
Right.
So at the end of the day,
everybody has a part to play.
everybody have a part to play. He called dance hall.
Yes.
So the dancer them now, when you fall now, you set on the table, tap dance all night and I pray like say, yo, I own name Kakali, you know, and Lucky British and, you know, Dan Bass, like, everybody I do like so. Dan, me think them in a dancing thing, you know, me not depend that tonight, my boy. Well, ease out, man. If he's a dancer or a skanker, come into the party and skanker, or just load or something there and just turn a flasser.